Today I'll be making these cute but deadly ghosts trapped in a jar. So let's get to it. I started off with some transparent, white, and glow-in-the-dark polymer clay. I grabbed a chunk of the same amount of each and then just kneaded them together. I rolled it into a log and then portioned them out into 5 pieces. I rolled them up into a ball and then just set them aside. Now at first I rolled up a tinfoil ball to make a head, but it wasn't smooth, so I baked a round form of polymer clay into a toothpick so that I could hold it and that the head would be a bit smoother. I used a little cornstarch to roll out the balls and a cookie cutter for the round shape. I ended up having enough scrap clay to make an extra 2 ghosts. I used a piece of tissue paper to mold the clay around the toothpick head. I found my fingerprints were getting all over it and the Kleenex seemed to solve the problem. Any advice on what else I could use would be greatly appreciated. I cut some arms out of the polymer clay and then blended those into the body, and then just baked up my little ghost friends. After they were done, I removed the toothpicks from the base, trying carefully not to break the toothpick, and I was almost successful. I used a little black acrylic paint and then just put some eyes and a mouth on these little guys. Now instead of resin, I used a light cure nail polish. It's cheaper on Amazon and I think it works better. And here is my little ghost family. Little do they know they will soon be trapped in a jar. I grabbed this clear glass jar from the dollar store, which was perfect. I glued the ghost to the sides of the jar using some epoxy glue. I used a small amount of the glue right on the face and then held it in place for a few minutes. Make sure if you're doing this that you are in a comfortable position before you do this, unlike I did. I removed the glass lid because I didn't need it. I was going to be covering the top of the jar in a black faux leather piece that I had lying around that I had got from the dollar store previously. I also had this Halloween flashing tea light that I was going to stick on the top. I cut a small slit where the on button was so it would be easy for me to turn it on and off. I cut out a piece of cardboard with a hole in the middle to glue on top just to make it a little more sturdy, and the hole was obviously going to serve for the purpose of the candle tea light going through it. I hot glued the cardboard piece onto the jar and then hot glued the leather piece onto the cardboard. I grabbed a little twine and wrapped it around the top, just securing everything together. And I love how these little guys turned out. And the fact that they glow in the dark is even better. I don't know if I would classify this as scary Halloween decor. These guys are super cute and I actually feel bad for them. I want to let them out of the jar. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.